Okay, so this is the last question, question 11. It is given that a Carver's equation, you can say that equation, where k is a constant, find in terms of k the values of x at which there is a stationary point. So we know that for finding out stationary point, at first we need to differentiate the function. To apply the formula. And for stationary point, the value of dy by dx is going to be 0. So now all you have to do to make x as the subject. That's the value of x in terms of x. So let's move on to next question. Now in question B, you will compare this function with the function that is given in A. Both the function is same, just the difference is at the position of k here, 4 is given. At the position of k here, 4 is given, but the rest of the function is same. So this function has a stationary value at x equals to a, and this defined by, you can see that function, and the domain given is x greater than equals to 1.5. So we have to find out the value of a and determine the nature of the stationary value. Now, as I have said, that the pattern of this function and the function in A is similar, so we can use the answer from question A. From question A, the value of x was k plus minus root over k divided by 3. So here at the position of k, we can put 4. And as this number has to be greater than 3 by 2, so the answer is going to be 2. So that means the value of a is actually 2. Now we have to determine the nature of the stationary value. Again, both the function is similar of a and b. So that's why let's take the dy by dx from the first function. So from A, we have got dy by dx equals to minus thrice k thrice x minus k to the power minus 2 plus 3. So now at the position of k, we will consider 4. Now, as we have to find out the nature of the stationary point, we're going to double differentiate the function. Let's put the value of x as 2. We have got in B. I mean, in this question, we have found out the value of x as 2. So let's put it here. So it's going to be 9. So as d square y by dx square is greater than 0. So that means the stationary value is a minimum point. Stationary value is a minimum. So that was quite easy. So let's move on to question C. In C, a function is given and we have to determine whether it's an increasing function or decreasing function or neither. So when a function is given and you have to find out whether it is increasing or decreasing, the first thing you need to do is to differentiate it. Right here, the domain given is x greater than equals to 0. For x greater than equals to 0, 3x plus 1 whole square will also be greater than 0, and the g prime x first derivative of function g, it's gonna be positive as well. It's gonna be greater than 0 as well. So as the first derivative is greater than 0, so therefore gx is an increasing function. Increasing function. So we're done with this question and the whole paper as well. So if you have any problem or if you have any suggestion about these videos, you can write down on the comment section. And if you want me to solve any paper related to physics or math, you can write it down there as well. I'll try to respond and I'll try to make the videos if possible. So thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.